everyone, I'm here today with my lovely friend Talisha and we are going to be doing a golden goddess makeup look on her. I love this look for special occasions, but you can tone it down by pairing it with a nude lip instead. Let's get started. I'm just prepping the skin with a thin layer of foundation. This will be a good indicator of where to pinpoint conceal later on. I'm using a golden cream eyeshadow to map out the shape that I want. I don't want to have too much payoff above the crease, so I'm using most of the product on the lid, but then I'm using whatever's left on the brush to blend out the edges. We are going full glam on this look by adding a little bit of extra brightness and shine right to the center of the eyelid. This is such a simple eye makeup look that I think the lashes are very important, so I'm giving them a good coating of mascara and then I'm adding some false lashes. Next, I'm adding a little bit of the golden cream eyeshadow underneath the eye as well. To conceal underneath the eyes, I'm not actually using a concealer. I'm using a little bit more of the foundation because it's got enough coverage and I just want to clean up a little bit. Talisha doesn't need that much concealing. Now I'll just go in and pinpoint conceal wherever I need a little bit more coverage. Next, I'm bronzing Talisha's skin, but I'm not using an actual bronzer. This is M.A.C Face and Body Foundation in C6. It's a little bit darker, but it blends so beautifully and works well with the other foundation. I think this creates the perfect glowy bronze. I'm applying this to where the sun would naturally hit you. Now we are going full on golden goddess by adding a little bit more of a glow to the high points of the face, the brow bone, the cheekbone and the temples. I love to use the same highlighter that I did on the high points of the face in the inner corner as well, and this will just open up the eye beautifully. I didn't powder Talisha's face. I'm playing with the natural glow and shine that her face already has, but I'd like to do a little bit more contouring. So I am just doing a little bit of contouring on the cheekbone and then I'm taking it down into the jawline and up into the temples and hairline. This will just bring everything together and even add a little bit more of a bronzy effect. I'm just filling in any sparse areas of the brow. But to get my shape for Talisha, I like to brush down her eyebrow and fill in the top section a little bit more than the bottom. This way you won't get such a harsh eyebrow. By adding a classic red lip, you can go from beach babe to red carpet ready in no time. I'm going in with a pencil just to perfect the shape, and it's also a good trick to correct any mistakes that you've made.